everyone, today I'm going to review this pressure washer I bought off of Amazon. It's really a no brand. I think it says Molbean. It's a really cool little pressure washer. According to the instructions, it says that it can do 1100 psi. I almost returned it because the instructions that it came with is useless. Here it says handheld lithium battery cleaning machine and instruction manual, but it doesn't really tell you, I'm sorry, it's got wet. It doesn't really tell you how to put it together. It just tells you what not to do. And if you have problems, you can troubleshoot it. Other than that, I kind of had to figure out by myself what and how to use this and what to do with this. It came with this bucket. It's collapsible. It's kind of cool. I didn't even open it because I don't need to use it. It also came with cloths to wash your car. It came with an extended hose. I also haven't used that yet. And now the fun part, to figure this one out. Battery is pretty simple. You have to charge it, and it takes pretty much overnight to charge one of them. It comes with two of them. I actually have the other one on charge. Once you put it in, you have different settings. You have P0 and 1, 2, and 3. 3 is the strongest. 0 is no pressure. And when you press and hold, it turns off. When you press it again, it turns on. Originally, this came disassembled. This came with this part on. Where is it? I believe, was it this one? Yes. It came with this part on. This is basically for the hose. If you want to use the extended hose, you can take this off, put the hose on, and twist it back on. I'm not using that, so I don't need to use this. However, I really like to use this part because I attach this to my garden hose. And so it's super simple. You just twist this on as tight as you can. Now this whole thing is plastic, so you don't want to over tighten it. It did not leak for me hand tied. Super simple to attach your hose. You just twist this on your hose and you're good to go. It also comes with a little container to put your solution in, window cleaner, car cleaner, any kind of cleaner, and it's very easy. You just twist it on, and this goes to the end of this. It basically, you line it up and twist, push in and twist. If you don't push in, it won't go. And simply removing it, push it in, twist it back, and pull. This little part here is one of my favorite parts. This you use with all these attachments, which are basically the same attachments as you can find on this wand. However, I find that these are stronger, not by much, but a little bit stronger than this head. So on this, if you look closer, it tells you what degree pressure you get. This is 0. And this is my favorite one because that's the strongest one. Basically, you just pull back the gold nut, and then once it's pulled back, you just push this in, release, and you're good to go. Same thing, you just push it in, push all the way in, and twist. Remove, same thing, push all the way in and twist. This one goes on the same way, push all the way and twist, and then you just twist the different settings. Push it in, twist. This little part I am not using, but I'm not going to push this in, but you can push this in all the way. And then this other side goes on to here. By the way, you can take these apart as well by pushing this push this all the way in and remove. You can remove this and then push it all the way in and then put it back on. You can hear it click. Anyway, you put this on instead of this, and then you can just put this in a bucket or a river or a pond, and it sucks water from any source. And this is just your filter to make sure dirt doesn't go in it. So that's it, guys. It's very simple. And first time I looked at this, when I opened the package, I said, this looks very cheap. It is all plastic. I don't think it's going to work very well, but actually I love it. It's powerful enough to wash my windows, my patio, fence, car, anything you name it. It is not going to be, of course, as strong as a pressure washer, a true real pressure washer, but for smaller jobs it works perfectly.